Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about NorthOne, a new personal banking platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been using NorthOne for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you use NorthOne for personal banking? What is NorthOne? Before I get into that, let's talk about what NorthOne is. NorthOne is a neobank that offers a range of personal banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. It's also available in both the US and Canada. What are the benefits of using NorthOne for personal banking? There are a number of benefits to using NorthOne for personal banking. Here are a few of the most notable. No monthly fees. NorthOne doesn't charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. NorthOne offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in the industry. Early direct deposit. NorthOne allows you to access your direct deposit up to 2 days early. Free ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw money from any ATM in the world for free. 24/7 customer support. NorthOne offers 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone. Can you use NorthOne for personal banking? Yes, you can definitely use NorthOne for personal banking. In fact, I think it's a great option for anyone who is looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. Here are some of the things you can do with your NorthOne account. Deposit and withdraw money. You can deposit and withdraw money using your NorthOne app or website. Transfer money. You can transfer money between your NorthOne accounts or to other accounts. Pay bills. You can pay bills using your NorthOne app or website. Set up automatic savings. You can set up automatic savings rules to save money for specific goals. Get a credit card. You can apply for a NorthOne credit card to help you build your credit score. How to open a NorthOne account. If you're interested in opening a NorthOne account, here's what you need to do. Go to the NorthOne website and click on the Get Started button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Verify your identity by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Link your bank account to your NorthOne account. Once your account is verified, you can start using it right away. Overall, I think NorthOne is a great option for personal banking. It's a modern, convenient, and affordable banking platform that offers a wide range of features and benefits. If you're looking for a new bank, I highly recommend checking out NorthOne. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.